most people fall on one side of a difficult divide. Some believe zoos are essential, protecting endangered species and funding the fight to save the wild. Others believe no amount of funding can justify a life spent behind glass. Let's break it down. Most zoos are not a solo entity. Hundreds of accredited zoos work together, each contributing to a shared mission that reaches far beyond their gates. These dots represent every AZA-accredited, non-city-owned zoo in the United States, over 140 in total. Together, they generate billions in annual revenue through admissions, memberships, food, and retail sales. In order to better understand, let's think of the AZA zoos as a single symbolic mega-zoo as we expand our lens to the entire world. Zoos fund conservation programs in over 100 countries, protecting habitats, supporting anti-poaching units, and funding local research teams. This map shows where those funds go. They represent the lifelines sustaining species in the wild. Each icon represents a species or project supported by U.S. zoos, from elephants and rhinos to penguins and coral reefs. These contributions reflect how our local ticket purchases ripple outward into global impact. So, if we now go back to the question of purpose, the truth just isn't a black and white answer. Like wild things, it is far too complex to exist in a binary. The wild needs the zoo to keep conservation moving forward, and the zoo needs the wild, not just as its purpose, but as its proof of meaning. While it would be ideal for the wild to remain wild, we cannot ignore the human part of the equation that makes that impossible. Zoomed out, Earth appears as a single living ecosystem still searching for balance. How might zoos guide that balance so that conservation moves from the margins to the center? And if we need animals in zoos while we seek that balance, how can we make it count?